So as we launch this catalogue today on the 3rd of June 2020, there are two promotions that are running hand in hand and alongside it, two things that are going to make your shopping experience even better and your budget go even further. This is the starter kit promotion that is going hand in hand with this catalogue, and it's called the Pick a Free Bundle Starter Kit promotion. But I thought I would do a bit of a demonstration that what that means in absolute practical terms, what it could mean to you as a happy shopper wanting to get the most out of your pennies and out of your money. So I have picked probably the biggest suite in the catalogue. Flowers for every season. It is beautiful. You've got two bundles in there. You've got these the bundles with the little jar punch, and you've got the bundle with the sunflowers. Two gorgeous bundles, beautiful papers, memory and more cards. There's just so much to love about this entire suite. And you can put in your code 154132. You can have that entire suite for £168. It will all be yours. Would you like to have that entire suite plus a little bit extra actually for £99? If the answer is well, yeah, that would be quite nice. That perhaps would be within my budget to have that entire suite of products for £99. Let me show you how that can be done. So, flowers for every season. I've got everything piled into my basket just here. Let's start with the Jar of Flowers stamp set and the punch that goes with it, the jar punch. We'll have that, thank you very much. Let's go with the paper pack. So it's a 6x6 paper pack. Obviously I've used some of mine. You get 48 sheets of paper in there for each of 12 double-sided designs, taking you through all the year from spring to Christmas and everywhere in between. Beautiful pack of paper, mainly based on the new in colours. Beautiful. So a pack of 6x6 designer series paper. Let's throw in a pack of memory and more cards. Now I've just popped mine into this little envelope, but they are just stunning. So again, you can see those same sort of patterns coming through. There's stickers that you can stick on. There's things that you can use for journaling and creating scrapbooks, as well as lots and lots of cards in there that you can be using to make little little albums, cards, all sorts of things. Just so useful. Backgrounds, they're beautiful. So let's add in our pack of memory and more cards. Let's have some cards and envelopes to go with it. So I've got one of each here. You actually get two of each in your pack. So they're in colour cards with beautiful envelopes to go with them. The envelopes have all got these lovely dotty inners. Just beautiful, and you can obviously use those alongside your memory and more cards if you want to, but you can use them for so much more. The only limited by your imagination. So we'll have a pack of those. Oh, now then, if we're going to punch out some jar shaped holes in our card, what about some jar shaped domes to pop in them? That would be really rather fun, wouldn't it, to have that impression of vases and things. So let's have some mason jar shaker domes as well. And if you're going to make shaker cards, you want something to go in it. So here's these beautiful little gems here, and they're not flat sequins, they are 3D gems. So they do look like miniature versions of the pebbles that you get to go in the bottom of vases and things. They are beautiful. So let's have some of those flowers for every season's gems. let's have the ribbon combination. So here is the ribbon combination that goes with this particular set. You've got that lovely green gingham, you've got this white ribbon just here, and then you've got this twisted shimmery thread that you can always split that up. You can always sort of unravel that and have silver thread, white thread and misty moonlight thread as 3 different elements if you want to, but really lovely. So a lovely 3 ribbon combo that we're going to add into our basket. So with all of that, at the moment we have spent £120.50. I know that we're a bundle missing at the moment, but hang on, we're going to come back to that. I'm going to carry on shopping for a bit though. I'm going to swap over to this new little beginner's brochure, the Make Beautiful Things brochure, and in here I could get a little double pack of spots in the Magenta Madness and the Just Jade. I could add those into my shopping basket. And the other thing I'm going to add into my shopping basket is a little pack of dimensionals. So with my little stamping spots and my dimensionals added to all of that pile of things there, that comes to £129.75. Now if I was to put that lot in my starter kit, it would cost me £99. So I have just bought all of that for £99. And as I'm sure you've heard me say before, when you get your starter kit and become a happy shopper and a member of the Stamping Up family and club, there are no expectations, there are only opportunities. So you could go on and build a world-breaking empire if that is what you want to do. And if that's what you want to do, then I will do my very best to support you, and Stamping Up will do their very best to support you. You may just quite like the fact that for as long as you're a member of this little club, you're going to get 20% off any future discounts. And when the Christmas catalogue launches, you're going to get to see it a month early. That might be enough to make you happy. And if that's enough to make you happy, then that's enough to make me happy. So there are no expectations if you invest in a starter kit, only opportunities. So £99 has got you that £129.75 worth of goodies. But we have got a special promotion on during June while this catalogue launches, and that promotion says that you can add into your starter kit for free any Stamp and Die bundle or any Stamp and Punch bundle. So at this point we can add in our sunflowers, our sunflower stamp and our sunflower dies. So now you can see that you have got that entire, oh, there's something missing. And the reason it's missing is because I haven't got them yet. You would also, in your starter kit, in your £120.50, get 4 packs of Stamping Blend combos. So you will get the light and dark Cinnamon Cider, the light and dark Just Jade, the light and dark Magenta Madness, the light and dark Misty Moonlight. You will also have those in your starter kit. So Stamp and Punch, 4 pairs of Stamping Blends, your paper, Memory and More cards, Memory and More cards and envelopes, your 3 ribbon combinations, your mason jar domes, your gems, your stamping dimensionals, your 2 little spots that we're adding in from here, and free you're going to get your sunflower stamp set and dies. So that is everything in this bundle that you can spend £168 on for £99 plus those stamping spots and some dimensionals extra. Tell me that's not a bargain. You might not want this particular suite. There might be other things that you've got your eye on, but it still applies. You pick the £130 worth of product or up to 100. You can't go over 130. It can only be up to 130. So you pick up to £130 of products out of this new catalogue that you have got your heart set on. You can then add in any stamp and die bundle or any stamp and punch bundle out of the catalogue, and all you will need to pay for it is £99. If you've looked at your wish list and that is something that you want to do, do not hesitate to get in touch with me. I would love to welcome you as a part of my Love-a-Duckie team. And I'll just show you page 168 and 169. These are the punch bundles. So you can have any of those for free. And then if we slip over the page a couple, we come between page 173. All of these bundles and all of these bundles and all of these bundles are for you to choose from. So £130 worth of product plus a free bundle, and all you're paying is £99, and they will deliver it to your door for free. You know where to find me.